Mag-hi ka. Tanggap ko na po na bomba ako sa demo, pero okay lang sa inyo.
Ano ba? Agad ka ako ba?
Same kayo ng question? Mo? Iba-iba ka.
Yung pangatapos yung in-edit nyo, nag-vlog ka na naman. Nakakainis ko sa gawin niya mag-post.
Wala kang pake, ate. Ate, wala kang
Paano
pake.
kung marami ka ng followers, tapos katamad mo pa rin mag-edit?
Kung monetize naman na ako, hindi na ako tatama rin doon. Ilan pa lang naman subscribers ko. Tsaka ano, I'm doing it for myself. Uy! Pero gusto niya sumikat. Subscribe kayo, guys.
Nakasubscribe ako, tama.
Oh, 11 na yung subscriber mo.
Yay! Sana 11 million.
Dapat mag-ano ka. Magpawa tayo sa effect sa sa TikTok.
Tanga.
Guys, nagsi-celebrate siya ng
Oo, 11 yung sayang. At yung handa mo.
Simpleng handaan. Yay! 11 subscribers na. Sino yan?
Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
Celebrating small wins.
Simpleng handaan. Simpleng handaan by Alan. Simpleng handaan in Spanish bread. Brought to you by Azalea. Peace.
Number 1 supporter mo ako. Wala talaga kung susunod.
Sige, ano, ang tawag doon. Ikaw una ko isa-shoutout kapag nagka-1 million na ako. Hello, so we have applied. My demonstration was so fast.
Ilang minutes? Ilang minutes sa'yo?
Di parang wala mang 5 minutes.
Hindi ka tinapos talaga.
Wala nang tumunog, ate. That's okay. No, I'm not okay. Charot. Uy, kain kayo. Simpleng handaan. Simpleng handaan.
11. 1-1.
With Yakult. God will provide. This will multiply. Hi. For the vlog. Yeah, years from now, I will look this back. I will look back to this. Look back at this. Oh. Ayan.
Pero hindi ko talaga expect na
Years from now, pag may-ari ko ng lupa na yun. Ate, what is your motto in life? This is promotional video for Miss Universe. Thank you po. Hala, ang bigat. Ang bigat. Ayan, masasaya pa sila ngayon.
Siyempre!
Ngayon lang.
Kita ang ate ko. Nakakaya naman kung ibang bata yun nakalagay sa
Hello po. Sino po sila? Ha? Sino po? Kanino po phone? Pwede pong pa-complete ng information po. Saan po yun? Nasa ano po ako? Shenzhen Sorting Center, Bamban, China. Harap po ng Pogo.
Natay na.
Hello. Hello.
Team leader namin yan. Team leader namin yan. Ay, team leader namin yan. Kaya ka pinapastop ko na kanina.
Uy, bala kayo. Siya wala.
What is the smallest country?
Vatican City.
Yes! Right? Okay. Okay, ito. Among the member of the United Nations, what is the two country?
Ako. Vatican City tsaka Israel. Palestine.
Hindi mo mong kasi daw sasabihin pa lang ako tayo.
Yun yung hindi kasama sa United Nations Act.
Sino nagturo sa dyan?
Ikaw.
Yo, ano pa?
Ito. Ilang stars meron ang USA flag?
42. 54.
51.
44. 41.
51.
51. Search.
Ano search natin?
Alam ko
51.
51.
Hindi. 52 yan. 52. Wait lang.
60. Bigyan sabihin mo yung mga stars na yun.
Arkansas, Los Angeles, New York City.
Or California yun.
50. Tama ako.
Okay, ito.
Alam mo saan ko nalaman?
Okay, ito. Ilan ang ipin ng isang adult?
62?
28. Ako 28.
Kulang.
32. 31.
Bilangin mo.
Okay, Okay, this is the study of knowledge.
Science.
Oh, explain.
Science. Malamang. Malamang.
Sabihin ko walang ethics. Science pala. Saan galaxy tayo?
Milky Way. Hindi.
Is reaching 1:1.
Ate, sulod.
Paano yung ikot ate?
Gago talaga sulod.
Thank you, everyone.
Wish you were here right now, Ma'am Rosette.
During the 4-week period, NCAD, our roller coaster ride. A lot of tears were wiped, and I guess, see you next time.
Dear students, are you ready?
Hello, we're gonna try a Vietnamese coffee. Well, it's Nescafe, but it came from Vietnam. I'm in a really dark period of my life right now, and I feel like working was all I need to distract my mind for everything that was happening for a couple of months. But yeah, I'm really grateful for the opportunity, and I'm really grateful for all of the relationships that I've had. These are all signatures. Well, they don't have signature, but like just short messages from my students, and I put their notes in my
journal. One of the messages my students left me. This one is from James. This is my favorite one because this came from Tracy and Mimi, which were not my students. It had a bracelet that has my 3 favorite colors, which are yellow, blue, and purple. Before they asked me which colors were my favorite, and then I said those 3, and then they came up with that, and with this letter. It was very cute. This one is from Tracy and this one is from Mimi. They're both keychains. They're really cute. I'm gonna attach them somewhere. I'm really grateful for them. I think I learned a lot from my first job. It's my first actual job where I went to an interview and, you know, just do actual job. Hopefully I'm gonna have another chance to be at that job. Maybe the winter camp or the summer camp. I don't know. Let's just see. But yeah, I've learned a lot and I've experienced a lot of things, and yeah, I just love it.